Hello, this is the Mobile Mechanic 757. This is Miguel. You know how I get down, I get straight to the point. If you want to know how much, if your alternator is actually doing anything, get yourself a multimeter. Put it on direct voltage. That's a direct voltage symbol right there. That's AC. That's something that's inside your house. I used to do maintenance and heating and air conditioning. You go straight to direct voltage. You turn this on to 20 because you're only supposed to get no more than 14, no more than 15 volts ever from your alternator. So first things first, this is a condensed version of what needs to be done. This is a small version in my new Patreon page that will be coming out very soon. I'll be getting more details. So I will turn it on. There should be no voltage because I'm not doing anything. So I'm going to take the black to black, negative to negative. And in this battery, I have 12.72. So I'm going to try to finesse this in here with one hand. Okay, so I got it black on black. All right, so to check to see what the alternator is doing directly, I'm actually going to start the truck. You could do it through the battery, or you could do it at the back of the alternator, and I'm going to show you that. Oh, boy. So I'm getting ready to fire the vehicle up. The alternator should be in the high 14s, and it is. So all you have to do, this is the control side of your, all alternators have a control side. You just can't be throwing out voltage, so the computer is going to adjust depending on how much load and what you're doing and what the engine needs and the air conditioning and all that great stuff. So in the back of the alternator, right down here, is going to be directly to the battery. Let me see if I can get a focus. Right there, that big bolt. All alternators have it right there. So I'm going to go directly to that with my multimeter. I'm going to keep this on positive, negative, because you got to have positive and negative. And now I'm going to touch, and you see there's nothing happening. I'm going to touch this, and this is what the alternator is actually putting out. Hold on. I'm doing it one hand, so be mindful. I'm trying to do it with one hand, kind of hard. All right, there we go. So I'm going to touch in the back of the alternator. And there you go, there's the voltage. That's what's coming out of the alternator right now. And if I come to the battery, it should be almost the same. And as you can see, the alternator is working. So you can always go back here where the bolt is at and try that and test that, touch that. That's got to be on negative. And then you come here to the positive on the alternator, and this is what you're going to get. So you know your alternator is putting out directly. This is just a simplistic video. During my Patreon page is coming out very soon. I'll be more in depth of what all that meant, but the number is in the 14s, which is good, and the alternator and the battery matches the same. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And make sure you hit that like button, because I want the algorithms in YouTube to show people what they need to know to save themselves some money, because I'm here for you to save money. Thank you.